single day. I'm gonna make something.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maskara Cakes. Now, one of my friends on Facebook asked me if I would do a tutorial with some fun, bright colors, and I said, sure. And she's like, I don't really wear those colors, but I like to watch them. I said, that's fine. I like to wear them, so it's cool. So I figured I'd do something fun with the Suva Beauty Block Party. So first, I'm going to go in with this Flash Mob color right there and put it in my crease. And now I'm going to take Boombox and put that in my crease on the outside corner. Now I'm going to put some glitter glue on the inside parts of my eyelid. And now I'm going to go in with nachos over that glitter glue. Okay, now on the very outside of my lid, I'm going to go with this dark blue, this dancing shoes, just a little bit, and blend it inwards. And then I'm going to take some of this yellow color lemonade, put that on my inner corner. my eyebrows, liner, blush, everything else, and I'll be back. And this is the finished look. Now I'll insert some pictures so that you can see up close, see what it looks like. So thank you so much for watching. Do you like to wear bright colors, or you tend to go on the neutral side? Have a good day.